Welcome in my channel. Now we are going to talking about best virtual data room software for your business needs. Choosing the best virtual data room video software for your business needs depends various factors, including the specific requirements of your projects, the level of data security you require, your budget and user preference. While I can't provide the real time of data, here are some video software options that were considered strong choices based on their features and capabilities as of my last knowledge update in September 2021. Number one is Interlink, well established providers with strong features, user friendly interface, and robust document control. Widely used in M&A transactions and other high-stake deals, known for its user-friendly platform and excellent customer support. Strong focus on data security and compliance, popular among financial professionals and legal experts. European VDR provide the reputation for security and compliance. Features include the document watermarking, dynamic watermarking, and Q&A management, commonly used in M&A and real estate. Versatile VDR solution with features like document redaction and high-level encryption. Versatile used in various industries including legal and financial services. It also main of the its mother company will be Firemax. Number 5 is Vox Virtual Data Room. Secure file sharing and collaboration platform suitable for wide range industries. Strong data security features like ease of use, cost effective, and the solution with strong encryption access control suitable for various industries and use cases. Cost effective video solution with strong encryption and access control suitable for smaller deals and organizations. Highly customizable with the deal management and capabilities, often chosen by the real estate and financial professionals for analytics and reporting. A straightforward, easy to all of. So now much today. See you in next video. Thank you.